Okay, second watch today. Another weird and odd, peculiar curiosity. Have you seen it before? When I saw this in the classifieds, I had to have it. Has a nice fob. Brand new condition. Art Deco, 1930s, made in Switzerland. It's got a little weight to it. And it's pretty cool. Really cool. Not really, it has a, it just kind of pops up. Ooh. Not too shabby. It's not working very well. I don't think it's ever, yeah. It's almost 100 years old, so. Been sitting in a drawer for most of its life. And the brand is Romer. Romer makes all kinds of watches. But they didn't make very many of these. You can, it has a spring there that makes it jump out at you. It works, but it stops. You gotta kind of do it a little. You gotta move that balance, and then you can hear it ticking. Tick for about a minute, and then it'll stop. About 30 seconds. Probably nothing wrong with it. Just needs a service. I'd like to get in there, but the hinge is right here. So there's another hinge there. And yeah. I don't want to scratch it. So I'm just going to leave it. Oop. There's an airplane flying over. I like airplanes. Used to work at the Atlanta airport. More than 10 years. Biggest and busiest airport in the world. Or at least it was. I think I read somewhere Dubai is now. I got lots of interesting airport stories. Related to U.S. immigration and customs, because that's where I was. I wasn't working for them. Let's say I was an aliens advocate, a helper. Foreigners that couldn't speak English, so. Probably should get on YouTube and talk about that a little bit. About all that stuff going on in the U.S. But we're going to talk about watches today, that's it. So what do you think? The Romer's pretty cool. And you just kind of put it back in there. And close it. And there you have it. The Romer. Very purty. Sehr schön. Krasny Hodinky. All right, I don't want to go over 6 minutes. Got another good one coming up next. It's very, very interesting and rare. It's one you never see. Not in this condition. It's from 1955, but yeah, this is 1930s Art Deco Roamer. All right. See you later.